Hello and welcome back to our channel. We all know about Twitch, don't we? So today we will learn how to create account on the Twitch platform. For this, you just need a Gmail account. You can also use your phone number if you wish, but I prefer using a Gmail address or any other address if you have. So as you can see, I'm already on the Twitch. I have already looked for Twitch and I'll click on the link. As I have entered the Twitch website, I'll go to my top right hand side. I have two options whether I would like to log in or sign up. Log in if you have an account, sign up if you want.
Thank you. Did you get
on sign up, and then we have an option for our username. Let's give our username Tech idea. Let's see if it's available. It's not. Well, it is. Luckily, this will be the name people will know me on Twitch. I can always change it later if I wish. Let's give a password. I've given a username and I've given a password which is strong enough. As you can see, it says strong, and I have confirmed my password once again. I'll give a date of birth. Do please give your valid date of birth, and then phone number is required for verification. You can use your email instead. Like I said at the beginning, you do need an email address, let it be Gmail or Yahoo, it's up to you. So we'll use our Gmail address, which is techidea178@gmail.com. And then they will still verify my own email address. I'll click on sign up. As you can see, they are making sure I'm not a bot. Okay, so they are asking me to solve a puzzle to know that I'm a real person. Verification is complete and they have verified that I am a real person, and then I have to check my email address, and I'll click on remind me later. You can do it as soon as possible. I'll skip the number part, and my Twitch account is opened. I can choose some interest. As you can see, my account is activated. I can choose whether I want to be seen online or no. I can also choose whether I would like to share my activity or not. Let's turn it off. And then I have some options about video producer, about friends and subscription. I can check my wallet. I can go to more settings. I can also change the language if I wish. I can change the theme if I would like to. As you can see over here, it has turned dark. I can turn it off and it will be back to how it was. And finally comes the option to log out. If I wish to get out of my account, I can do that by clicking on log out. So I hope this video will come to your rescue. Please comment below and let us know if you have any request or suggestion for our new videos. Also, don't forget to share, like and comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us. Have a very good day.